push the button! Please! Please. Please! Wait. Okay, guys, so today we're going to be playing Don't Push the Button 4. Yeah. And yeah. I'm running out of ideas for games to play, so I recommend you put some ideas in the comments. What the? Ah! What was that? I can literally dance to this music. Yay! Wow. Wait, reach the top? Oh shoot. What the? Okay, what's this music? This is weird. Ah! Oh no. Run. Oh no. Ah! Ah! Wait. Hey! What the? This music can oddly fit. I'm probably gonna get I'm gonna say, is this copyright? Oh shoot. Your remaining 3 will be on your bound. What the? No. I'm trying. Was he? Ah! I'm trying to mute the music. Hurry! Reach the top. What? I don't get it at all. Come on! Ah! What in the world? This actually has has a bomb. Nah, I can live with that. Watch out! Nitro has a bomb. Okay. Okay, Nitro. Go to the color. Oh shit! Green, green, green. Ah no! Not again! Ah. Well, wait. How do you mute this music? You guys won't hear it because I don't know. I'm trying to. No, I don't know. No. Where is it? Where is it? What the? Finally, the music stopped. Oh, come on! Okay, guys, I put the music on 3. How do you mute the music? How do you... Oh my gosh. This is actually intense. No! I died. I literally died. And yeah. Whoa. Now we're back on the ground. Ooh. Who's gonna press the button? Let's see if SKB... Watch out. Oh shoot. Oh no. Wait, that's a bomb. That's a bomb. That's a bomb. Run. Well, those people got wiped out. It's not like another bomb will appear. I'm gonna click the button and boom. Too late. Ah! No! Dang that bit. Oh shoot. Dang that bit. I could easily beat that obby, but I don't know what. Jump over. That's not a laser. That's like a Epic Mini Games. Wait, who's still alive? No one's alive. No one's literally alive. This game literally is not as cool as I thought. Why am I walking backwards? Whoa! No! Come on! What the? Now we're tiny. This is what happened. Oh shoot. We're tiny. Well, I guess we're tiny. Come on. Wait. Dang the slipper. Wait a second. The floor is literally slippery. Who's gonna click the button? Oh no. The guy's. Come on, come on, come on. I click the button. Click the button. Tsunami. Ah. Oh shoot. Oh no. 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 Oh shoot. No. Wait a second. Oh no. 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 I want to survive. I want to survive. No. 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 Ah. Ah. Oh no. 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 And click. Whoa! Whoa! Wait, which direction? Let's see if I can. Okay, those cheaters are literally gonna be standing on the button while I'm doing something. How do you slash it? Okay, I didn't mean to do that. I actually did not mean to. Get your dinosaur body out of the way. Get your dinosaur baddie out of the way because you're blocking the button. Again? That's weird. Ah. Woohoo! We're dinosaurs. Roar! Whoa! Whoa, Buster! What is here? What the? Where in the world? Nothing happened. Whoa, Buster! Nothing happened. Watch out for the snowballs. Oh no. The snow. Oh shoot. Wait a second. Watch out. Hold on. Whoa! I think I backed into a snowball. Oh shoot. Ah! Oh shoot. Come on, reach a button. And I'm gonna stop blocking the button, baby. Ah, dang that bit. Come on. I'm trying. My only kid. Ah! Click! I clicked the button. Avoid the. Oh shoot. Oh no. Oh shoot. Ah! No! Wait, what? Oh yeah. Dang that, but I died. The remaining. What the? Avoid the boulders. This dinosaur is actually reaching the top. You're not supposed to do that. Well, rip. Is this the? I think this is a harder version of an epic minigame. This is why I suck at obbies. Yeah. Jeremy. Oh my gosh. Ah! Click! Stop blocking the button, everyone! Get alone! Okay, I'll let anyone cook. Oh shoot. Ah! No! Shoot! Oh no. Congratulations, you washed out the boulder. Oh no. Stop turning your... Oh shoot. We need to survive. And the best there is, best there was, and best there ever will be. And that will completely stay like that. Whoa! Ah! Oh shoot. Oh no. I feel like... Ah! Oh no. I need to go on this side. Oh no. Oh no. I have a bad feeling. Oh no. Oh, jump. Yeah! Oh my! Well, wait. How's that guy floating in midair? We survived. We survived, people. Let's go. Are you lucky or unlucky? Unlucky. That's how my blocks for life is. Unlucky. Oh shoot! Hey! I have a bomb here. Oh, come on. What's on? Ah! Oh shoot! Survive the falling paths. This is the last one before this video ends. Oh my gosh. I have a bad feeling that this one's next. Oh shoot! Backing up. Back it up. Whoa! Oh no! Oh shoot! Oh, I was so close from dying. Jeremy Timbers oh shoot! I'm staying in place. Whoa! Oh shoot! Oh no! Please! I'm following Jeremy. He's one of the most lucky ones. Oh shoot! It's just me and Jeremy. Ah! Whoa! Jeremy! No! Oh my gosh. Okay, I guess thank you guys for watching.